Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you are facing this error in Snapchat that whenever you try to add a friend in your Snapchat account, it shows you have too many friends and you can't add more friends than that. So if you want to fix that problem, then what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat application. And after opening up your Snapchat application, just tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, just scroll down. And after scrolling down here, you can find this option, which is My Friends. So the fastest way to fix that problem is by removing friends from your Snapchat. So just remove the unnecessary friends that you have in your Snapchat. So to remove your friends, what you can do is just simply tap and hold on the profile. So after tapping and holding on the profile of the friend that you would like to remove, what you have to do is just tap on manage friendship. After tapping on manage friendship, now you can just tap on remove friend. After removing a friend, you will be able to add another friend. So it depends on how many friends you will remove, and depending on that you can add some friends. So this is the first way. The second way is to just ask help for Snapchat. So what you can do is just simply come back to your profile section and then tap on the settings icon, which is on the top right. After tapping on the settings icon, now just scroll down and then search for help. So here you can find this option, which is I need help. So just tap on it. And after coming up to your support section, what you can do is just simply scroll down and find this option, which is contact us. So just tap on it. After tapping on that option, now you have to answer some questions. So you have to submit a request. So what you can do is in the first question, what can be help you with? So what you can do is just select this option, which is I found a bug. And after selecting that, now what you can do is just scroll down and then tap on yes. And after tapping on that, now you have to answer the question what's not working. So what you can do is just select this option, which is profiles and communities. So after doing that, now what you can do is just scroll down. And after scrolling down, you have to answer another question, which is what are you having trouble with? So what you can do is just select this option, which is my profile. And after tapping on my profile, now you have to fill in all the details. So just scroll down and then tap on yes. After tapping on yes, now you have to enter your username, your email address, your mobile number, and the device that you are using. After doing that, what you can do is, and now you can enter the date that the errors start occurring on your account. So just enter that and then you can choose a file. So you can also take a photo of that problem and then send it to Snapchat. So you can do that, and after entering all the details in description, what you can do is just write the problem that you are facing. And you can just type in I want to add more friends on my Snapchat account, please help me solve that problem. So after typing in your problem, now what you can do is just simply tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, just complete this verification process. So just simply complete this I'm not a robot and then verify that you are not a robot. And after doing that, you will send a message to Snapchat that you are facing the following problem and they will try to resolve your problem. So this might help you fix that problem, but the main way is to just remove the followers from your account, or you can just simply take a Snapchat Plus subscription. So what you can do is just come back to your profile and then tap on Snapchat Plus. After tapping on Snapchat Plus, and after having a subscription of Snapchat Plus, you can add as many friends as you like. So that's it guys, this is how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.